Good morning, guys. Hello. I am here to teach you about the public static void main. So I am very excited to deliver this knowledge up to you that you should know each and every concept of a Java language. No one can beat you in Java, okay? And it starts with the basic thing as well. Because many a times what happen? Big things we know. How to work, how to write, what kind of example that it contains, and what kind of scenario is it. We can get everything about the big things, big concepts in Java language. But what literally happen is basic concept and basic knowledge is somewhere gone out in our mind. So if your basic clear, and it should be clear, then above knowledge you can learn, take it easily, okay? Because as your fundamental, what I can say that if your building needs to be good, then its basic platform need to be good. Then and then only your building will become stand out over that, okay? So pillars make a very important role in this. So this basic I am containing in this Java playlist videos so that you cannot get stuck anywhere, okay? So anywhere and anyhow you have to know about the basics of Java. It will clear your mindset about Java. What is Java? How it works, okay? So very simple things I am taking in this video. So you can brush up your knowledge within this playlist video, okay? So number of video can be more because I don't know itself that how many video I will make on that. But every video contains a very supportive basic knowledge in this, okay? So your Java language programming skill become very strong. So yeah, let's start with the today's video, and topic is public static void main. Basically this line we can get in every program of Java at the very beginning level, okay? At beginning of every program we have written public static void main. So why it should be written, what it works for us, how it written, and what we can do by writing this line in the program. Why program, what I can say that why program need this line. So all that we can cover in this topic video, okay? So yeah, public, it is a basic idea, that is public is public. Nothing is private here. So public, which can access publicly. Static means what? Which cannot change or dynamically, okay? Void means something action, something method is there, and main is also the main method. Then string ARJS will take our attribute of a program. So let's start with the next slide. So here I want to introduce you about first keyword, that is public. As I have said to you, it can be accessed from anywhere. Static means no need to create object to call the main method, okay? So as we know, basically Java is an object oriented programming. What does it mean basically? That Java language every time need an object to call every class and method, okay? Hence Java called as an object oriented programming language. So static method do not need to create object to call the main method, okay? Third is void. As I have said, void is something related to action. Method will not return anything in the void, okay? Then what is main? Main method is default signature defining JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine. I have created the video on JVM, JDK on this topic as well. So you can prefer that video later onwards. Okay. So default signature defined in a JVM, that is main method work. And string ARG is used to hold command line argument. It is very clear to you in the next slide, not here, because this is a basic, what I can say that this is a basic straightforward meaning of this word. In the interview you can prefer these words, okay, to main, method, string ARGs, public, static, void, all about this line, okay. So you should talk in this language. But for your better understanding, I have prepared some few notes on this as well. So let's forward to that. So yeah, this is my notes, Java programming. In this, I have introduced you about the public access modifier. These all are what? Public access modifier, that is public, private and static in Java. Okay. So public access modifier is what? It is specify how to access classes, method and fields. Okay. The access level is everywhere because it is public, as I have said previously. Inside a class, it may be outside a class, inside the package, and it may be outside the package. We can use the public access modifier. Okay. So what is private access modifier here? So private access modifier, the access level is only inside the class, not outside the class. We can prefer the private access modifier. Means static non-access modifier we can call it as, and you can access fields or in methods using the class name. Okay. So static means which cannot change, and it can access to class name as well. Okay. So example is system.out. Out is a static field of a system. Concentrate guys here that out is a static field of a system. So what it will do basically, that system out.println we have written, or we will write, or we have write every time to print something else in this. Okay. So out is a static field of a system which cannot change. Now I have given here a small program for your introduction, that is public class. I have given the class name as myself, Ujjwala, and then public static void main. It is a public access specifier we have used here for the void method, and say hi. We have taken the attribute as say hi, and public static void say hi. You get it? What happened here is public static void main we are using for the, what I can say that, publicly accessing specifier. Okay. So hence for that I have printed here say hi only. So it is publicly used, and static void say hi only. Here the main method is not taken. So yeah, this can be the example for you guys. So thank you so much. Oh, sorry. One thing is here, that are my notes about the Java public access and private access modifier. And here again on public static void main word, I have written some notes that public everyone can access globally. Static JVM call main method without creating instances of object. Okay, that you can clear now. Class, why class is written? So this is a method basically, and it should be declared as a static. Hence we have written static void. Void It is a written type of a method, that is action. Okay. And main represented start of a program. Main basically represents the start of a program. And string arrays, it is used for the command line argument. As I have said, system is for predefined class. Means system is used as a predefined class. Out is used as an object of a class. And println is nothing but a function. So yeah guys, thank you so much for attending my lectures on Java, and I hope you are supporting me for making this beautiful and knowledgeable video for you guys. And so many videos I have made already on the Java about array, main method, string, classes, objects, data types, variables. So many videos are there in my playlist. So go to my channel Java Take It Easy, watch that playlist to brush up your knowledge according to your preferences of videos, and to get a better start for the Java language. And on Python also I have posted one video many months ago. After that I have not taken time for a Python. So yeah, I will post the video on Python as well. So some guys who can do that Python language as well, or who want to prefer the Python language, they can follow my channel on the Python playlist as well. And shorts are also there to brush up your knowledge very quickly within a second as well. So yeah, be subscribe my channel, do like, share and subscribe my videos. And I am so inspiring that I have completed 2000 views on my channel, because very few months back I have created this channel, just before 2-3 months, and within that month I have not active, but after that when I am posting all these videos currently and very what I can say, that consistently, then I am getting so many views, likes and subscribers as well. So be supportive guys. Then thank you very much to watch my video. And you can comment in comment box also that how I can improve my teaching, or to provide the knowledge way for you. So yeah, you can refer my videos for that as well. So thank you guys.